Hey mining magnets, ChatGPT AI detectors is becoming increasingly more powerful, and it's important for you to know how to make sure your content is original and unique. The reason why is because Google is down ranking content that is seen as produced by AI. Good for you, you're watching this video. We'll show you the ultimate guide to tricking these detectors, and we'll give you the tips on how to make sure your content is unique and not flagged by the detector, and some strategies to help you make content that will pass the detector's test. Watch to the end because the result is going to be very surprising. Okay guys, so the first one we're going to do is we're going to go to ChatGPT to ask it to give us an article. I've asked ChatGPT to write an article in this way. Write me an article on how to make money online with AI in the style of a millionaire tech CEO who is always witty. The reason why I use this is so that the content that you produce will be more likely to be human. So this is the article that he has produced for us. It looks quite okay. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Want to join the ranks of the tech elite and start making real money? Look no further than the world of AI. Sounds reasonable, but let's test and see whether or not this content can pass AI detectors. So we're going to copy this article that ChatGPT has given us and going to paste it into writer.com AI detectors. Copy and paste. I'm going to click Analyze Text. Fail. As you can see, it's 2% human-generated content. This is definitely a no-no for any blogger, content writer, or article writer out there. No worries. We're going to copy the same text as well. This time, we're going to go into another AI detector. The next detector is by content at scale. We're going to copy and going to paste the same article, and then we're going to check for AI content. As you can see, this is 100% fake. Definitely, it is worse than the first one. At least the first one is 2% human-generated content. So this is bad. This time, we're going to paste it into Originality AI, which is my favorite one and the one that I use to detect for all my content that I've created with AI. I'm going to copy and paste, and then I'm going to go and click Scan Now. As you can see, it's 100% AI detected. So we've used 3 different AI detectors, but they all seems to be very reasonably accurate. Now, we're going to go back to the original article and we're going to ask it to please rephrase the above in second person and written by a human. All right, I'm going to click Enter. Okay, so this is the new article that has been written by ChatGPT. We're going to copy this. Now we're going to go into writer.com and see whether or not it will still be detected as an AI content. Copy and paste and analyze text. As you can see, it is still 2% human-generated content. Okay, next we're going to go content at scale and going to paste a new article by ChatGPT. Going to click check AI content. As you can see, it is still 100% fake. All right, now we're going to go into Originality AI. This time, we're going to click new and we're going to paste the new article that has been rephrased by ChatGPT. Copy and paste and click Scan Now. As you can see, it is still detected by 100% AI. Even though we've asked ChatGPT to write it in a style of a millionaire tech CEO who is always witty, and we've asked it to rephrase above in second person and written by a human, it still gets detected. I'm not so sure why, but the AI detector seems to be getting stronger and stronger. Now, I'm going to show you how I treat all these AI detectors that the content is created by human. So the tool that I use to trick AI detectors is Writesonic. Writesonic has a content rephrase tool that you can use to make sure that your article gets passed as human. So first, we're going to go into ChatGPT. We're going to copy the new article that has been produced by ChatGPT. We're going to copy and paste it here. And now we're going to click generate. So now we have all these articles that has been rephrased by Writesonic. You can actually create it more if you want to. So firstly, we're going to test out the second one. We're going to copy into the clipboard and we're going to go into writer.com and test this out. Copy and paste. All right. Let's analyze text. As you can see, it is 91% human generated content. That is looking great for us. Let's go back to Writesonic and copy the same one and paste into content at scale AI detector. Copy and paste. All right, let's check for AI content. As you can see, it's 93% real and only 7% fake. Let's go back into Writesonic. Let's copy the same one, and this time we'll go into Originality AI and paste the same article here, and let's see how this fare out. As you can see, this is 100% original. So all these AI detectors seems to be quite similar in regards to detecting content, but I do prefer Originality AI because you can paste more content, you can collaborate with more team, and you can also scan websites. So you don't actually have to manually copy and paste. You can scan websites like this. So yeah, this is the technique how you can trick AI detectors and ensure that your content get passed on as human generated. But why bother using AI detectors to check whether or not it is original? That is because of this article by Business Insider. As you can see, a fierce battle is raging between Google's search algorithm and website that uses AI to churn out content. And apparently it shows that Google appears to be downranking pages created by artificial intelligence that it deems low quality. That's the reason why I've used Writesonic to ensure that the content get passed on as human. And I don't want you guys to get caught by AI detectors. If you enjoyed my content that I've shared with you, then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribing means that you'll be the first to see all my latest videos. Plus, it will really help me if you did. So thanks for your support.